The 2008 300. The Chrysler 300 combines sport and luxury in one unique and powerful package. If you're looking for elegance and performance, the 300 delivers. This vehicle has less than 60,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: keyless entry, anti-lock braking system, stability control, traction control, leather-wrapped steering wheel, power steering, adjustable steering wheel, driver airbag, floor mats, four-wheel disc brakes, aluminum wheels, cruise control, AM/FM stereo radio, rear defrost, passenger airbag, child safety locks, power door locks, power windows, bucket seats, CD player. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.